Study of 800 homeowners in a certain area showed that the average value of the homes was 91,000, standard deviation was 6,000. If 40 homes are for sale, find a probability that the mean of the value of these homes is greater than 84,500. Okay. If 40 homes are for sale, we're talking about many homes. So the question over here, are we talking about one whatever, one home? Are we talking about many whatevers or many homes? We're talking about many. So we're going to use these formulas. Let's write down what's given. Mean is 91,000. Standard deviation is 6,000, and N is 40 homes. Probability X is greater than 84,500. The greater than form is our second one here. A is wherever follows a greater than symbol. So A is equal to 84,500. And we're wanting to plug it into this right here. So do equals 1 minus norm dist A, which is 84,500, comma mean, which is 91,000, comma standard deviation 6,000 divided by square root of n, which is 40, comma true. Again, I make these numbers up. I don't even know if there's any decimals on this. Probably not, since it didn't put any. But if I move it 2 decimal places, that would be 100%. So the percent would be 100%.